the premiere of Monarch. Protect the legacy no matter what happens.
Family above all else.
Monarch premieres next on Fox.
All of us at Aubrey's would like to say thank you. It's your support that's kept people working, and your kindness that's kept us smiling. And not just at Aubrey's. You helped keep the lights shining on Sunspot, pizzas sizzling at Stefano's, drafts pouring at Blue Tick, and good times happening at Fieldhouse Social. 20 local restaurants employing more than 1,000 East Tennesseans, all connected to that very first Aubrey's 30 years ago. So from all the faces of Aubrey's, thank you.
Chevy Silverado. It's got the power you want and the capability you need to do the job so you can get to the important work. Find new moments, find new roads. Get a $500 cash allowance on all 2022 Silverado pickups with a 2.7-liter turbo engine. Plus, now during truck season, get a $1,000 accessory allowance toward a new Chevy truck with accessories. See your East Tennessee Chevy dealers.
I hope my fans, they discover their superpower, and I hope they feel on top of the world by the time they leave the Jennifer Aniston show.
Weekdays at 11, starting Monday on Fox 43.
Here's today's Domino's stat tracker. Quarterback Daniel Jones, 188 yards, 2 touchdowns and a pick. Saquon Barkley, third time in his career he's gone over 150 yards rushing. Sterling Shepard, 2 catches, 71 yards, and the touchdown. More to come from Nashville. All right, Abel celebrating. The only way you can celebrate your first win.
More truck owners are switching to Ram, which means more fathers are switching to Ram.
Your body's changing.
And more sons. More tailgaters. More tail waggers. More men with a lot of confidence.
Easy.
And more with not so much.
Yeah, I'm not going to fit in there.
More people who have it all and don't have it at all.
Wow.
And more guys who check straps with a firm tug and say,
That ain't going anywhere.
are switching to Ram.
If you're always asking, where next? Capital One has the travel card for you. Venture X. Earn 10x miles on hotels and 5x miles on flights booked through Capital One Travel. Plus, receive premium travel benefits like access to over 1,300 airport lounges. Find your where next with Venture X. What's in your wallet?
So with GEICO, we can easily bundle home and car insurance and save even more?
Yeah, home, car, motorcycle, all bundled together. Just like that breakfast burrito.
So can I get chorizo?
Metaphorically, yeah.
Carnitas.
Just chicken. Just give me a bunch of chicken.
Oh, bacon?
Oh, wait, there isn't too much hot sauce, is there? I have a sensitive palate.
I actually like hot sauce. Can I get chips?
How about guacamole?
I don't really know what we're talking about anymore.
Burritos.
Sure.
Okay.
For bundling made easy, go to geico.com. COVID-19. Some people get it, and some people can get it bad. And for those who do get it bad, it may be because they have a high risk factor, such as heart disease, diabetes, being overweight, asthma, or smoking. Even if symptoms feel mild, these factors can increase your risk of COVID-19 turning severe. So if you're at high risk and test positive, don't wait. Ask your healthcare provider right away if an authorized oral treatment is right for you.
Here's what you expect from your wireless plan. But at T-Mobile, this is what you get. And so much more. Like Netflix on us, Paramount Plus, and other top streaming services. Get benefits that add up to more than $225 in value each month. Plus, with our price lock guarantee, we won't raise the price of your rate plan. Only at T-Mobile.
Welcome to the OT, presented by DIRECTV.